Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to earn money from your blog, website, or YouTube channel? In this video, I will show you how to create a Google AdSense account step by step in 2025, even if you are a total beginner. Google AdSense is a free program that lets you earn money by displaying ads on your site, blog, or YouTube videos. When visitors click or view those ads, you get paid. Trusted by millions, works on websites and YouTube, easy to set up and maintain. Before we sign up, make sure you meet these requirements. You are 18 years old or older, you have a Google account like Gmail, you own a website or YouTube channel with original content. The site has some traffic and follows AdSense policies. If using YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours for monetization. So now go to adsense.google.com. Now click get started from the top right. Enter your account details, choose an account, then enter your website URL here, like YouTube or blog website. Enter uh, your, select your country from country section, get more out of AdSense. No, then click start using AdSense. Accept the terms and conditions, click start using AdSense. Now you will land in your dashboard. It's look like that. Setting up payment information, verifying site. Now let's finish setting up your account. Go to payment section, then payment information. Now click add payments account. Now add your payment address. Make sure it's accurate. Google will mail you a PIN code for address verification. Next, you will be asked to verify your website ownership by adding a code snippet to your site's HTML or using a plugin. If you are on WordPress, once verified, Google will review your site, which can take a few days. Once approved, you can start placing ads. Go to auto ads. Google automatically places ads on your site. Manual ads, you copy ad code and place them where you want, like sidebar or header uh, of your blog post. Start with auto ads. If you are new, it's easier and optimized by Google. From ads, select the auto ads tab. Want faster approval? Follow these tips. Have at least 10 to 15 original blog posts. Make sure your site is fully functional, no Construction include about, contact, privacy policy pages, avoid copied content or copyrighted material. Don't use AdSense on illegal or adult content. For your complete your profile, click home, then choose payments, enter information like that. Wait a minute. Select account type, individual, your name, legal name, address line, postal code, and click submit. Then click update. Now click read more payments are from the ad section. See how ads look on your site. It's an optional. Then click connect your site to AdSense. Let's go. Now add your YouTube account. Like click go to your YouTube account and copy your URL and paste here. Then save it and remove this HTTPS. Then save it. To add this site, you need to go to the host platform. Okay, save it. Add your website account. And that's how you create a Google AdSense account in 2025. Once approved, once you are approved, ads will start showing and your earnings will grow with your traffic. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more tutorials and comment below what kind of site are you monetizing, blog or YouTube. Let's chat. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.